When you taking a dip in the pool on holiday, are you ever worried about your belongings by the sun lounger? Many people have phones and keys unattended and can never really relax, thinking about someone stealing your bag. I used to worry about that myself, so I come up with a solution. Meet my homemade lockable bag. I bought a bag for €1 in IKEA. I punched holes in it and installed eyelets. I also bought a padlock with extendable wire for €20. Now I can lock my bag in the sun lounger and don't have to worry about someone stealing it. Of course, if someone really wants to steal it, they can cut the bag open with a knife, but I hope no one has a knife by the pool.